Hey guys, it's Alex aka Grow with the Fro, and I'm here to show you how I detox my hair and skin. So the first ingredient I use is Bentonite Clay, and its purpose is to draw out impurities, toxins, and metals and product buildup from your hair. After I use this, it usually leaves my hair and skin feeling super clean. The second ingredient that I use is apple cider vinegar. And you guys, I really love this stuff. It always leaves my hair feeling super soft and very shiny. And you always want to make sure that you buy the raw, organic type with the mother, because it contains all the nutrients involved. You should definitely read up on apple cider vinegar and its benefits. So when mixing your two ingredients, you want to make sure that you're using a non-metal spoon and a non-metal bowl. That way, the bentonite clay does not prematurely react and lose its properties and benefits before touching your skin and hair. So now it's time to put your two ingredients together. First, I start by adding my bentonite clay to my bowl. Then I add the apple cider vinegar to the bentonite clay. It's suggested that you mix 1 part by 1 part, but usually I like to eyeball it out until I get to the consistency that I like. Obviously, this is not enough apple cider vinegar, so of course I'm going to add more. So this is pretty much the consistency I like my clay solution to be like. Not too thick, not too thin, but this is just right for me. So it's probably been about a week and a half since I last shampooed my hair and washed it. But at this point, my scalp is dying, you guys, and my hair looks and feels crazy. I need to bring my hair back to life. So I start by parting my hair into sections, and water is so necessary before putting this clay into your hair. So I start by adding the clay directly to my scalp because it's the dirtiest, and then I pull it down the length of my hair. And do you see how it easily detangles my hair, you guys? That's dope. I love clarifying my hair and scalp because it gives my hair a clean slate. After a few weeks of shampooing, it kind of leaves my curls a little bit dull and dry. So doing this helps to bring my curls back to life. Can you tell I really love the feeling of cleaning my scalp? It just feels so good. But when scrubbing your scalp, you never want to use your fingernails. You always want to use the pads of your fingers. That way you're preventing any scabs or cuts on your scalp, because you know that's not cute. Whoops. Did I mention how messy this could get sometimes? I mean, it doesn't cause any stains, so it's okay. It's very easy to clean as well.
That's good.
When I tell you this stuff brings your curls back to life, look at that definition. So now it's time to add the mix to your face. I actually like doing face masks once a week. It helps to unclog my pores, even out my complexion, and it leaves me with a nice glow. So you want to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then rinse everything out. So I rinsed everything off. I'm just loving the way my skin is looking, super clear. But wait. Let me clean that off real quick. I clearly missed the spot, but my scalp is super clean. My hair is so soft. I'm clearly feeling myself. Go girl. So clearly I'm really happy about my results. My curls are clumped together, my hair looks shiny, super soft, and very clean. So after this, I'm gonna deep condition my hair to replenish the moisture. Well, I hope you guys try it. If you do, let me know what you think, and thanks again for watching. Bye.